Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Today's topic is about creating times table, that is multiplication table in SAS. Here is the times table for 2, and we will see how we can generate this times table in SAS. Here I have times table for 2, and also in the left side I have code. If you see closely, times table consists of only very few things. It has our initial times table number, that is 2, and then we also have numbers from 1 to 10 in which we are going to multiply it with 2, and the result which we get on the right side. So the leftmost value, that is 2, we can easily get by writing a equal to 2, and 1 to 10 we can get by using a do loop wherein we are saying do I equal to 1 to 10, and also we are using an output. In our do loop we are also creating another variable c, which is the value of a into index variable value. Here what we are doing is we are taking this 2 and then we are multiplying it with 1 to 10, and also we are doing an output. So here we got all our values, that is our 2 and 1 to 10, and our result, they are in A, I and C. Now all I need to do is I need to create a new variable wherein I can bring them all together. So I'm naming that variable as times underscore table equal to, and I'm doing concatenation of A, which gives me the value of 2, and I'm also using an x along with the index variable, and you can see that now we have this part wherein 2 into 1, 2 into 2, we already have set this part. Now I'm adding couple of more things in here. The next one is equal to, as there is a space between these two numbers, so what I'm doing is I'm adding extra space to them, and finally I'm adding c, which has my result value in here. This is going to give me a result like this. To simply understand, when I is 1, this becomes 2 and this becomes 1. As the value of c is 2 into 1, we are going to have 2 here, and we are going to do an output in the same fashion. It becomes 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and we are going to have all these values concatenated to appear something like this. Now let us quickly run this code in the SAS Studio and see our results. After running the code, I also have a proc print in here with no ops. I do not want observation numbers, so I have just written no ops in here. Now I am running this code. Let's quickly look into the results. Once you see the results are exactly what we want to match. Instead of multiplication tables for 2, I can also make multiplication tables for any other number. For that, all I need to change the number in here. In here, I want to have the multiplication table for 9, and I have changed a equal to 9, and let's quickly run this code. And in here you can see that we have 9's table. That's all for this topic. If you like this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.